Welcome. Today in this session we are going to see another example to design a Turing machine. Here the example is construct Turing machine for the addition function using unary number system. So for the unary number system, that means here for example if we are taking 3 plus 5, so we should not consider the digital number system, but we should consider the unary number system. So unary number system is nothing but it is a number which consists of only one character. See, for example, the unary number is made of only one character, that is the number 5 can be written in unary number system as 5 ones. In this Turing machine, we are going to perform the addition of two unary numbers. That means instead of considering the digital number format, so we are going to consider unary number format here. So let us consider two numbers and perform the addition operation. For example, 2 plus 3. See how it is written? In unary 2 is written by 2 ones. That means a single character 1 is used in order to represent the number here. Plus here 3 is given and 3 ones. So total we are going to get 5 ones. That means in the input tape, after performing the addition operation, we should obtain 5 ones in the input tape. So in this case, what we do in order to obtain 5 continuous ones in the input tape, what is that we are going to do is, see here, these 2 ones will remain as 1 only, whereas this plus symbol will be replaced by 1 now. So this plus symbol will be replaced or converted to 1. That means 3 ones we are going to obtain, and here we are going to have 3 ones. That means total 6 ones are present there, but our answer is only 5. So that means only 5 ones must be present in the input tape. So now in order to reduce one, what we have to do? So in this manner, after converting this plus symbol, the header will move to the right direction till it finds the blank symbol. So after finding the blank symbol, where is that blank symbol present? That blank symbol will present after this one in the input tape. So after finding that blank symbol, the control will again move to the left direction, and now it is going to reduce this one to blank symbol. Now this one symbol is converted to blank symbol now. That means if this one will be reduced to blank symbol, then total will be having 1, 2, this plus will be converted to 1, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be converted to blank symbol. Now we have, if we observe, we obtained 5 continuous ones. So that is the answer. See how we are going to write the process in step by step manner. See, if they ask in the semester exam to design a Turing machine for so and so example, then you have to mention in this step by step manner. In the last video I discussed one example, L is equal to a power n, b power n, c power n. There I shown you how to draw a Turing machine there, how to design a Turing machine. But apart from drawing the Turing machine, first you need to mention step by step process, what is going on there, what is the logic going on there, and at the end, by considering all the points which you have written, you need to draw the Turing machine. This is the procedure which we need to follow in order to attempt that question in our semester exam. Okay, so now see, this is a small example. That is the reason I am elaborating point to point here, so that you can easily understand this and you could know how to answer the remaining examples also. So input is 3 plus 2. Now the simulation or the control, the procedure for this 3 plus 2, see here, after this 2 ones blank symbol will be present. So completely we have written here 3 ones plus 2 ones followed by blank symbol. So see how it is represented in the input tape, 3 ones plus 2 ones followed by blank symbol. And now our control will start from this first one. So what is the logic? We have discussed previously that here we should obtain 5 ones. So in the input tape at the end 5 continuous ones must be present. So in order to obtain that, these ones will remain as 1 only. Move in the right direction in search of plus symbol. So immediately when plus symbol has occurred, this plus symbol will now be replaced with 1. So now the count till plus symbol is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 2 more ones are there. Among these 2 more ones, so the blank symbol, before blank symbol 1 will be present, that 1 will be now reduced or converted to blank symbol. So if we reduce this 1 to blank symbol, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones will be present here. So see here, now the control is at the first cell. Now move to the right direction till plus symbol is found. So move right up to plus symbol, plus sign as C. So directly it is indicated in this step to the pointer is indicated to plus symbol. And now what will happen? See, convert plus to 1 and move right. So 1, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3. And this plus is now converted to 1. And again move to the right direction in search of what? In search of blank symbol. So in search of blank symbol, we have to move to the right direction. So there we move to right. So after plus symbol, move to one step right. And now again move right. So right direction we have moved. And now again move right. So we should move till blank symbol. So here blank symbol is obtained. Now B in the sense blank symbol has encountered. So as soon as the blank symbol has occurred here, what we should do? So just to move left. So we need to move left direction as this. See, in the previous step it was near blank symbol. Now we should move one step to the left. So left. Now what we should do? Convert this 1 to blank symbol. So that is how this blank symbol is reduced or converted to, that is how this 1 is converted or reduced to blank symbol. So now when this 1 is converted to blank symbol, now count the number of ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So that is what in our input tape at the end 5 ones. That means the answer must be present continuously without any plus symbols in between. Continuous answer must be present at the end. So this is how we are going to write this step by step manner for any example. So if we write first step by step what is going on, then it would become easy to us to design a to design a Turing machine. Now let us see how to design a Turing machine for that. So I hope you might have understood how to write the steps for that. See here the procedure is, let us start from the state Q0. So this is the state Q0. First what we should do? So when ones are there, we are just keeping that ones as it is. We are just keeping that ones as it is and moving to the right direction. See here I will draw the input tape also. Our question is 3 plus 2. See here, first here the header is here. This 1 will remain as 1 only. Move to the right direction in search of what? In search of this plus symbol. Till plus symbol you have to move to the right direction. So in between you are going to get number of ones. So those ones will still remain as ones only. Those ones will remain as ones only. Move to the right direction. Now you are going to obtain the plus symbol. As the symbol is changing from 1 to plus, we need to show change in state also. So see how we are showing change in state. Now this plus symbol will be replaced by 1. So plus symbol will be replaced by 1. So in which direction we need to move now? In right direction. In search of what? In search of blank symbol. Why we should reach to the blank symbol? Because the one symbol before the blank symbol has to be reduced to blank symbol now. For that reason we are moving to the right direction. So this plus will be converted to 1. Move to the right direction. Now while moving to the right direction, we get number of ones here. So those 1 will be remained as 1 only. Move to the right direction. So while moving to the right direction, now we are going to obtain the blank symbol. So we are going to obtain the blank symbol. See, that blank symbol will remain as blank symbol only. But from blank symbol to which direction we need to move? We need to move to the left direction. So after moving to the left direction, what should we do? So after moving to the left direction, so see here, after moving to the left direction, so this 1 has to be converted to blank symbol. So present input symbol will be this one 1. It should be converted to blank symbol and move to the right direction. So right direction why? After converting this 1 to the blank symbol, so the answer is obtained there. That means 5 ones has already been obtained in the input tape. Now we should move to the blank right direction towards the blank symbols. So by that the procedure will end over there. So after converting 1 to the blank symbol, just move to blank symbol, next blank symbol, remain that blank symbol as it is and move to the right direction. It means that our string, the addition of the string, I mean 3 plus 2 has been processed over there. That means it is accepted by the Turing machine. So this is how we are going to perform. Here I don't have enough space to expand these states. That is the reason I had drawn like this. If you have enough space, you can just draw it straightly, no problem. Now let us name the states. Q0 will be the initial state, Q1 will be next, so Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. So this is how we are going to draw the Turing machine for the example addition of two numbers, 3 plus 2 for unary numbers. I hope you might have understood. Thank you.